Ang magkano nagi kasuwag yung sortisyon?
Usurpation.
Oo.
Si...
Isa pa. Isa pa, Ruben Padilla, papriso na to.
Sabi kaso ng Ruben Padilla nga.
Ito. Kaya pa, sige pa. Bunggo pa de.
Bunggo.
Bunggo. Oo. So, pila na lang. Matatalag 18.
Hi, everybody. Welcome to the clubhouse. I've got a big surprise for you.
Disney Junior's Mickey Mouse Clubhouse Plus.
I can't wait to see ya.
Monday mornings on Disney Channel.
I think I'm more of a land mammal. Brace for impact! Whoa. If we're going into that jungle, we need to suit up for the job. Whatever this island throws at us, we'll be prepared. We are so not prepared! Run! I am running! I'm a bulldog! This is as fast as I can go!
This summer,
Dino Island is the greatest discovery in the world. I'm Rex. Why don't you let me show you around? Yeah! Welcome to my home sweet home. Whoa! It doesn't have a big screen TV or Wi-Fi. That's just my iCloud. He's always watching.
This island has the biggest diamond mine in the world.
come here, beautiful.
When in doubt, we blast it!
That's a volcano! You're going to destroy the island! We need all the help we can get!
Witness a big screen event
Stay cool, little doggy.
of prehistoric proportions.
We've got an island saved. Who's with us? What was that? It's my stomach. Those baby dinosaurs ate all my pup treats. Oh, come on! No dino's too big, no pup's too small. I can do this.
Paw Patrol, the Dino Movie.
No fair! I want a dinosaur BFF. Best friends forever. Oh, ow, 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 ow. Ah, okay, stop, never mind.
Ang mga tinututukang balita at istorya sa #1 newscast sa bansa. Hatid ng dekalibreng anchors at hosts ng GMA Integrated News. Mel Tiangco, Vicky Morales, Emil Sumangil. Kasama sina Iya, Kuya Kim, Martin, at ang buong puwersa ng GMA Integrated News. Team 24 Oras. Reporting for duty. Weeknight, 6:30 p.m.
May halong piyesta ang Christmas feels na sasalubong sa mga darating sa Cagban Port ng Boracay, Aklan. Ang sikat na ati-atihan ng probinsya, sinabayan pa ng drums and lyres. First time dito ni Mark na mula pa ng Russia.
Many people told me about Boracay. This is the beautiful place, the most beautiful place on the Philippines.
Excited rin si Maria na magpasko sa isla.
Sabi nila, mas masarap daw dito. Tsaka talagang yung bakasyon namin dito baka kakaiba naman.
Siyempre, Pasko, kaya buong pamilya ang isinama ni Marifel. Unang araw pa lang, in-enjoy na nila ang malinis na tubig dagat at white sand beach.
I came here with my family all the way from Beijing. Naisipan namin na pumunta dito because number one, mas affordable yung fare compared to other destinations in the Philippines. Ayun. Tapos, easy access din sa mga activities, especially for a family with kids.
Ilan lang sa water activities na patok sa mga bisita ay ang paddleboarding, parasailing, paraw sailing, banana boat at iba pa. Sa tala ng Jetty Port Management mula nitong linggo hanggang kahapon, mahigit 7,000 turista kada araw ang naitalang tumawid sa isla ng Boracay ngayong Pasko. Kasabay nito, mahigpit na ipinapatupad ang inspeksyon.
The influx started last Saturday. So the port naman po as is naman siya for maintaining the security. Partner po namin dito yung mga Philippine National Police, mga Philippine Army, and with the sea naman po na related is the Philippine Coast Guard.